Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and today we are going to do the unboxing and review of the Bose Soundbar 700, which is a part of a Bose family of smart speaker and soundbar. It includes the quiet port and a face guide technology along with Adapt IQ audio calibration. It also has a built-in smart assistant, both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, along with the redesigned universal remote and also the new Bose Music app. It does support the Apple AirPlay 2 and also support the enhanced ARC. Although it doesn't support Dolby Atmos and TTS-X, but it does support the Dolby Digital. The Bose Soundbar 700 brings with it an attractive, elegant premium design and fantastic sound output. The soundbar is modular, which means you can attach a sub-bass module and satellite speaker in the future if you want. So let's start the unboxing and see whether it's really worth the money or not. Let's start. Unboxing was pretty straightforward and without any surprises. Bose includes 3 types of power cable which can be used based on the country in which you are using it. And apart from that, they have also provided a good quality of HDMI cable along with optical cable and also the Adapt IQ headset which can be used for the calibration of this soundbar. Apart from this, they have also provided a very good quality of remote which can also act as a universal remote along with 4 types of AAA battery. They have also provided the cleaning cloth and also the instruction manual. Bose soundbar is having a balance of style and performance. The Soundbar 700 is certainly an improvement over any TV speaker. It can easily fill a big room with clear audio, and depending on what you are listening or watching on TV, you can get some fairly impressive audio. The ability to directly play music from various live streaming services is a bonus. And if you got some extra cash, then I definitely recommend adding a Bose Bass Module 500 to complete this unique experience. This soundbar houses all its physical connection in 2 pockets at the rear side. There is only one single HDMI connection, but on the plus side, it does support EARC, which is Enhanced Audio Return Channel, which is good if you really want to hear the true lossless sound and better data transfer between LED and soundbar. And in the same recess as the HDMI port, you will find an optical digital input, an Ethernet port, and a micro USB port for service. However, it's a fairly tight space, so bear that in mind if you use thicker cables. The other recess contains the socket for 2-pin power cable and 4 3.5mm jack for a subwoofer, data, IR extender, and the Adapt IQ headset, which really changed the whole experience much better. One of the unique features of this soundbar is having a proprietary face guide technology along with Adapt IQ audio calibration. The more time you invest in setting up this soundbar, the better the experience will be. Well, to get the best output from the soundbar, you will spend some time calibrating it to your listening position, which is a very good thing. After you connect to your TV via ARC or an optical cable, you will be prompted to download the Bose Music app. And once the app is downloaded, you can follow the on-screen instruction, which is pressing a next and then creating a Bose sound account. During the setup, you will be asked to connect the Adapt IQ headset and sit in 5 places in your room where you are most likely to sit and watch TV. This calibrates the soundbar to give you the best possible listening experience for the position you are sitting at. I highly recommend going through this setup carefully as instructed. It does influence the listening experience considerably. The Bose Soundbar 700 certainly looks like a high-end speaker with a sleek and a stylish cabinet and a superb level of build quality. There is a perforated wraparound aluminum grille combined with a tempered glass top and a choice of glossy black or Arctic white. The Soundbar 700 is only 57 mm high, so it shouldn't block your TV. It's wide enough for TVs with screen sizes of between 45 and 55 inches, and there is an optional bracket for those who really want to put on the wall mount. Speaking of the design of this soundbar, it is available in two colors, black and white. The top of the soundbar is tempered glass and despite looking extremely elegant, is prone to gathering dust easily. And this is why Bose has included a microfiber cleaning cloth in the box. You will spend some time cleaning the soundbar. Another problem which I found is that its top surface reflects the TV screen. Hence you have to position this soundbar accordingly, as you can easily see how it reflects the TV which is on top of it.